ठीक है, RSA एल्गोरिथम का बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्या है? व्हाट इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ RSA एल्गोरिथम? As in the diagram, you can see RSA algorithm basically contain two parts. One is sender side and another is receiver side. Sender side. At the sender side, what is the basic concept or what is the basic calculation that involve in RSA? Now, in this green box, you can see a formula that is C is equal to P to the power E mod N. It means in RSA algorithm, we are applying the concept of mod. And what is E, what is P, what is C here? As C represent cipher text, P represent plain text, E represent a key that is public key, and N represent, what is N? N represent simple value where we are going to calculate. You have given the value of N आपको दिया होगा, and after applying this formula P to the power E, मतलब whatever the plain text to the power E, मतलब whatever the plain text to the power of public key and mod of N, given value of N, we are getting an answer, and that is called the value of the ciphertext. It means suppose any hacker want to crack the algorithm of RSA, then at the time of cracking, that person will need plain text. You know the plain text, and obviously that person will also get to know about the plain text and the public key. It means that person who want to crack the algorithm can also know the value of key, but N is only the value which is being shared between the sender and the receiver, or the prime numbers values. So at the time of cracking the ciphertext with the help of plain text, public key, and the value of N, it is not an easy task in RSA to break the ciphertext. That's why RSA is much more practically implemented algorithm as compared to other research or other developed algorithm like DES, triple DES, because these algorithms simply involve the concept of key and the concept of plain text. So in the same manner, at the receiver side, we are going to perform the opposite. We are going to perform the just reverse procedure at whatever we have performed at the sender side. Like it is P is equal to C. Here P is simply a plain text. Now why there is a plain text and why there is a plain text written here at the sender and the receiver? Because at the time of ultimate reading by the sender or by the receiver, he or she or that person who are sitting at the end can understand only the plain text. So we need a value of ciphertext that we are getting with the help of this communication channel. And E, now what is the value of E? E is simply the public key. And D, what do you mean by the D? D is the value of the private key, because RSA algorithm is a symmetric algorithm. It means it uses two concept of key. One is public and another is private. Two key. It uses concept of two key, public and the private. That's why RSA algorithm as compared to other existing algorithms is far better and more practically implemented due to the concept of mathematical calculation involvement in the calculation process of ciphertext and the plain text. Now let's see here. In RSA, E and N are announced to the public. E and N. Now you can see E and the N. E means whatever the public key and N means whatever the value of the N. Publicly बताई जाती. D and phi are kept secret. Now हम एक example लेते हैं. Suppose Bob selected 7 and 11 as P and Q. There is a formula in RSA algorithm where you have to calculate the value like in this algorithm, you can see that everything is given, like the value of p, like the value of q, like the value of n, and we have to calculate it simply by putting the value. In this example, you can see that. Why I am taking this example? Because it is a diagrammatically example. You can understand it very well, that what is given and what is not given, what have to be calculated and what need not to be calculated. Like this. N or no. N or no means there is a plain text that a sender TAD want to send to the Zenithor. Zenithor is simply the receiver person and TAD is simply the sender person. Both want to get a single message of plain text, that is N or no. N or no is just an example here. Now 1314 is simple plain text value जो मिल रही है हमें, हम उसको एंट्री कर रहे हैं, हमारा हमने साइफर टेक्स्ट बनाना है इससे. How we can calculate the value of the cipher text? First of all, you should know the value of the parameters or the value of the variables that are being used in the algorithm. Now, what are the parameters that are used in the algorithm here? C is equal to P to the power E. Here the value of E is 343. Here the value of P is 1314. Simply P to the power E. First formula. Second formula, mod of n. Mod of n. The value of n given here 159197. Simply the mathematical calculation is being involved, and after calculating a particular given equation, you are going to get the ciphertext value. Here the formula is P to the power E mod n, and every value is given to you. Now, after calculating the given formula, you are getting the value of ciphertext as 3677, and it is being only known to the person who is having the value of E and the value of n. Otherwise, nobody can guess what is the value of E and what is the value of n. So randomly you have to give some values. You have to perform some hit and trial to identify what will be the value of E, so that in the given equation, if we put the value of E and when the value of n, then we will get the value of ciphertext. So it is very difficult for the cracker to get the random value. जैसे मैंने बोला कि भाई 100 में से कोई एक नंबर बोलो तो तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो इट इज अप टू द पर्सन, इट इज अप टू द पर्सन टू पर्सन कि भाई उसको कौन सा नंबर अच्छा लगता है. हम गैस नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम जरूरी भी नहीं है कि हम जो गैस कर रहे हैं वो सही हो. तो ये इसीलिए इतनी टफ है, इसलिए इतनी टिपिकल है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जरूरी नहीं है कि एट द सेम टाइम हमारी जो वैल्यू ऑफ ई है और जो वैल्यू ऑफ एन है वो हम सही गैस कर पाए या क्रैकर सही गैस कर पाए. नाउ अगेन आगे क्या है, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ पी. द वैल्यू ऑफ पी इज सिंपली द फॉर्मूला सी डी. नाउ डी इज प्राइवेट की. प्राइवेट की किसके पास है? लॉकर के ताले की चाबी मम्मी के पास होगी, बस किसी के पास नहीं होगी. तो भाई लॉकर के ताले की चाबी साइफर टेक्स्ट जब मिला, तो जब हमें साइफर टेक्स्ट मिल गया, अब हमें उसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है प्लेन टेक्स्ट की. तो वही बंदा प्लेन टेक्स्ट की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करता है जिसके पास प्राइवेट की होगी, जिसके पास घर के अलमारी के लॉकर की चाबी होगी, मतलब डी की वैल्यू होगी. तो डी की वैल्यू किसके पास है? ओनली टू द रेसिपेंट. इसलिए ये एल्गोरिथम बहुत रोबस्ट मानी जाती है, बिकॉज इसमें एक तो जो जनरल जब कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हैं, कौन सी की यूज कर रहे हैं, वी आर यूजिंग अ पब्लिक की. बट एट द टाइम ऑफ डिक्रिप्टिंग द डेटा वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द पब्लिक की. हमने पब्लिक की यूज ही नहीं करा. आप देखो इस पूरे के पूरे कैलकुलेशन में वी एनीवेयर वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट और वैल्यू ऑफ ई की कोई वैल्यू यूज नहीं कर. तो हमने क्या करी, साइफर टेक्स्ट जो आया उसकी पावर क्या करी, डी करी मॉड ऑफ एन. एन तो पता है सबको, लेकिन डी किसको पता है? मम्मी को पता है. डी किसको पता है? उस पर्सन को पता है जो कि रेसिपेंट है, जो कि इंटेंडेड यूजर. दैट्स व्हाई, and after calculating the value you are getting 1314 as the plain text in this formula.